Hey YouTube fam, Nikki O'Knows here. I hope everybody's doing well. I am here, you guys, just to talk about a few things and how to stay motivated on YouTube. And for all my YouTube subscribers, thank you guys so much. Now, for those of you guys just starting out, I really want to share 10 things of how I've really pushed through on difficult days and difficult times. You guys know I made it 91 days, but my number one helpful hint, you guys, for YouTubers and the ones just starting out with a small channel like me, you just have to do it. So I'm here to give you guys 10 things that have really helped me. I would like to share those with you. So my number one, you guys, when you're tired, you have to push through. You have to push through, hit the record button, and then post it. You have to. I promise you, your future self will thank you guys. Now, one thing that's really strange about my story, I started in February 2020, according to the data on YouTube. I had no clue, you guys, because I actually thought I had started October 26th of 2024. But according to the data on YouTube, it said I started on February 20th, which I must have signed. I don't know. I must have logged in somehow, right? So if you start today, you guys, I promise you, your future self will thank you. Because had I been on YouTube since February 2020, imagine the growth and the success that I would have today. It would be so much more substantial, you guys, as opposed to me starting 91 days ago. So my number one tip is just do it and start today. So like I said, when you're tired, you guys, push through and your future self will thank you. My number two, when you guys are broke and struggling, share about it, vlog about it. Real stories really resonate with the subscribers and the loyal fan base out there. They want to hear that you guys are real. They don't want to hear all these perfectly polished stories. They do not. They want the raw and the real. So give them the real. I'm not saying you got to pour all your tea out in the community and make it all public. I'm not saying that. I'm saying, let's just say you're going to college and you, I don't know, failed the course, right? And let's just say you're going to college and you can't pay for the course. It's okay to share small things so that way your community can help you with advice and suggestions. And that's one way to build your channel. So if you are broke in a certain area or struggling over here, go ahead and share just a little bit about whatever you feel comfortable sharing, you guys. So that way your audience can say, wow, I like the real. I like it. I like this raw feeling. I like this content. This is good. Good conversations, good realistic stories, something that I can relate to. People want to be relatable and they also want to be able to relate to people. So please, if you guys have something that is real and really strikes the community of what's trending or what's going on or something good to communicate about or dialogue about, talk about it. My number three, you guys, when you're frustrated, channel your energy into creativity. I'm telling you guys, turn all your setbacks into content and you will be so thankful later. So turn all those setbacks into something positive, post some longs, post some shorts, go live if you need to, ask a question, a burning question that you think would just give you guys good dialogue and good content so that way people can give you some good insights and help you with whatever you need help with. My number four, when you're overwhelmed, start small. I think I started a little bit too big trying to post like 10 shorts a day and it was a lot. So there's a saying, you have to start slow to go quick or go faster later, right? So start slow so you can go fast. If you guys go too fast from the very beginning, what's going to happen is you're going to just have burnout. I also experienced burnout because I moved too fast at the beginning. So if I had to give you guys some helpful tips, it would be don't do what I did. I've learned a lot in these 91 days. So like I said, when you're feeling overwhelmed, just start small, start slow so you can then move fast. That is my number one key as far as that number. Number five, when you doubt yourself, remember you guys, every great content creator started right where we are. So it's okay to have normal self-doubts, but don't let it get to your mindset where you just want to quit, right? So like I said, have positive thinking, have small goals. It's okay. And make sure you're turning your content into something that is of interest to you so your subscribers want to watch you guys. Don't get overwhelmed. Just have small goals. Number six, when you're feeling uninspired, you guys really want to experiment with different ideas, different content, different niches, so that way you can get inspired. And just remember, you guys, sometimes when you're uninspired and you're posting stuff, the unexpected will shine. So sometimes even on my page, the videos, I may think like this is a great video, it may flop. And then the video I don't think is going to go, get 5,000 views, gets 7,000 views, right? So I'm just building my channel. But just remember, you guys, a lot of times you will feel uninspired. Your videos that have 7 likes or 1 view, it's okay. Let it sit for a while. I've noticed that some of my videos that have been sitting, they originally really kind of left me uninspired and defeated and deflated. But guess what, you guys? Over time, over these 91 days, my videos that had like 3 views, Now I have like 43 views. So I can imagine what it's going to look like in 90 days, 180 days, a year. That's going to double and triple, right? So when you're feeling uninspired, you guys, it's okay. The unexpected will shine. My number 7, when you have no time, you guys, just use quick bite-sized content because that can be just as impactful. So don't overthink it. Just literally, you guys, quick bite-sized content, shorts. You guys can do a long video, but make it like 3 minutes. Because I think a short is really considered 60 seconds, but they're also considering some shorts 3 minutes. So if you guys do want to do short bite-sized content or a long, make it 3 minutes. That's all you guys got to do. My number 8, when you're not posting, you guys, just remember, it's okay. We are not perfect. So authenticity really beats perfection, you guys. So just know, share your raw moments, like I said, and just know that we are not perfect. And I know a lot of people do their editing. I don't edit because you guys can tell, like, just come on, my face is how it is. It's just how it is. So I don't have content where I'm able to, cut and edit and put my little words and throw pictures in and then add a little commercial in. I don't have all that because I'm working from my phone. And shout out to the U-Haus family. I did get a new phone. I'm on a payment plan, but I did get a new phone. So shout out to the U-Haus family. Thank you. They really encouraged me to get a new phone, and I did. But yeah, just remember, you guys, you're not perfect, and that is okay. That is okay. We're small channel content creators, and that's just what we're doing. Number 9, when you're busy, you guys, schedule your post in advance because consistency is key. So like I said, post once a week or once a month on the last day of the month. Whatever you guys decide to do, just do it consistently, routinely, and make sure your audience knows when you're going to post. And the last one, you guys, when you want to quit, always dig deep and remember your passion of why you're doing this. Keep pushing, and I promise you guys, your growth will follow. I'm letting you guys know, I went from 0 to 568 subscribers. I went from 0 watch hours to 2,500 watch hours in 90 days. So I'm letting y'all know you guys can totally do it. And I'm telling you guys this because I did it myself. I'm not to my goal yet, but I'm telling you, every little bit counts, you guys. And the number one thing that I really want to just add at the very tail end of this, keep posting, just do it. But remember, patience and balance is super important as well. So with patience, consistency, balance, you guys, I promise you, you will be successful on YouTube. I appreciate you guys watching this video in its entirety. Hopefully, if you guys have to quickly move the little bar over, I appreciate you even tuning in to me today on a Saturday. And take care, be safe out there, and I will talk to you guys later.